Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making quick and easy banana bread. This delicious bread takes just a few ingredients, and it's a great way to use your overripe bananas. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and take a loaf pan and line it with parchment paper, or spray it with non-stick cooking spray, and then set it aside. In a bowl, add 4 large, peeled, very ripe bananas. Now mash these together with a fork until they're almost smooth. Then add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir this together with your fork until it's combined. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1½ cups of self-rising flour. Stir this together until it's just combined. Now pour the mixture into your prepared pan. Then bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove it from the oven and let it cool before slicing. And here it is, quick and easy banana bread. And you can change up this recipe by adding chocolate chips or even some chopped nuts. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Hi everyone, I'm Amy. I'm Amy. And today I'm making quick and easy. And it's a great way to use up your overripe bananas. Line it with parchment paper or use non-stick cooking spray. Add 4 peeled large ripe bananas. Add 4 peeled large very ripe. Add 4 peeled large. Add 4 peeled large overripe bananas. I can't get through the first ingredient. In a bowl. You can't say it now. Wait a minute. Add 4 large. Oh no. Oh my gosh. That took me like 5 minutes to say to add a banana.